This is my twin sister Estella, and she just bought her first house, which means I just bought my first house. Because as twins, what's hers is mine, right? But anyways, the house looked like this when she first bought it, and we're in the process of making it look like this. Or trying to. Cute, right? We're putting blood, sweat, and tears into making the vision come to life. So follow and stay tuned as we travel back and forth from LA to the Midwest to get this property renovated and decorated from top to bottom. Oh, and did I mention she wants to get this property rented by September? Yeah, but don't worry, I know we can do it. So stay tuned to see what we tackle first. So we're getting ready to paint this desk and built-in situation, and we were torn between two colors. The one on the right is called Rumors. The one on the left I can't remember, but they're both from Bear. The one on the right is actually the color of the year, but we decided to go with the color on the left. So this whole wall, this desk, all these desks, these three shelves, everything will be that color on the left. So we're gonna start it right now. Oh, check this. That's nice. Maybe for the pink room. That's like the perfect type of wood. What about this for the built-in?
Oh, that's cute. Granny used to have one of those.
Really? Oh, I like that little candelabra thing.
I just like this part of it.
So I feel like, okay, this is the color of the bed, this is the color of the rug. So if we do spice as our base layer, we want to mix with vermilion or mix with red clover?
Red clover.
Well, this is red clover. Put this vermilion next to it, or you think that's too close?
I think this is too close.
Okay,
I'm not
fine.
gonna give enough gradient.
So knowing that this is our base color, I feel like we can rock with this. Dark and moody type room.
So the only light elements we're getting then is going to be probably from the bedding and then the rug, because the rug has.
We could just probably keep it simple with cream bedding and like a little throw at the end of the bed or something, or some pillows.
Yeah.
Instead of trying to bring in another color.
Man, I wish you would have took a picture. Okay.